Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PlayStation 5 controller vibration on PC. Many users experience issues with rumble feedback due to various software conflicts or improper configuration. We will walk through common troubleshooting steps, covering external tools and system settings. Getting your controller's full functionality back is simpler than you might think, enhancing your gaming experience significantly. First, let's ensure DS4 Windows is correctly set up for your controller. Launch the application and confirm that your PlayStation 5 controller appears as active. Select your chosen profile and check the Enable Rumble box. You can then fine-tune the heavy and light rumble strengths, often starting them at 100% to test. This foundational step ensures the software is allowing vibration to occur. Next, we'll verify your controller drivers are current and properly installed. Open Device Manager on your computer, which you can find through the Start menu search bar. Look for your PlayStation 5 controller, usually listed under Human Interface Devices or sometimes Xbox Peripherals. Right-click on it, select Update Driver, and then choose the option to search for updated drivers automatically. This helps resolve any driver-related conflicts. It's also important to check the individual game settings, as these often have their own vibration controls. Open the game where you are experiencing the issue and head into its options or controller menu. Search for any setting related to controller vibration or rumble feedback. Make sure this specific in-game option is set to on or enabled, as it can sometimes override the settings from DS4 Windows or your system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.